Hi, if you wanna create folders in App Drawer on Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to simply swipe up to open your App Drawer. From here, find apps you wanna group in folder. For example, let's make folder of Spotify and Facebook. For that, I'm gonna hold Facebook and drag it onto Spotify and then release the finger from the screen. And now this folder is created. We can tap here and name this folder, for example, as social. We can tap on this white circle and change color of the folder. Also, you can manually find color you want to set to your folder and tap done. And also you can tap here, tap on plus, and add more apps to this folder. For example, what we can add here, we can add, let's say it would be YouTube. For that, I'm gonna select it and tap done. And now we got 3 apps in this folder. But removing apps from folder is not so easy because when you try to remove it, it usually goes to your home screen. But as you can see, I quickly did it, so I got the ability to move it back to App Drawer. Let's try this out with Facebook. And yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You need to really quickly move it to App Drawer if you don't want to move it to your home screen. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.